Shakti Prasad is also in the same Gita class, and we're studying the 12th chapter. And in one of those shlokas, Bhagavan is talking about his abode, and he's saying that the sun cannot shine it, the fire cannot light, like it cannot shine through, and the moon also cannot light it. So then, and he says, when you reach that abode, you don't come back. So then, if you just read the book and the meaning, you think, oh, it's like some dark hole, I don't want to go there. But if you have a class, it's important, because then Swami was teaching us that it's that you yourself, Bhagavan himself is the light. And it's like the bulb doesn't illuminate the electricity. So like that, you are the source of the light. So when you get self-realized, you reach that abode, you are the source of the light. You are not, that's why you don't need the fire, the sun or the moon. And you don't come back, because once you get self-realized, you don't get unself-realized. You stay self-realized. So it's very important. If I would have not had Gita classes, I don't think I would have been here today, because if we have like an access to a shloka, and we have a Gita book and we understand the shloka, then I think it would be very, very useful in our lives, really, really useful, because it's like a manuscript. It's like a formula for our life, and there's so many of the shlokas for every single problem in our whole life. And so yeah, Gita is really, really amazing. And if we